control room.
Mike live on the track, boy.
Hey babes, it's your fave Dream and I am back with another hair video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and simple way to achieve a silvery blonde color. Let's get into this video. This wig was sponsored by Divinehairrights, and as you know, all Divinehairrights wig come in a bag like this. Today we have a beautiful 13x6, 150% dense, 26-inch blonde body wave wig. This wig has a very transparent lace with baby hairs. The wig is constructed with 4 combs, straps in the back, and a wig band for glueless installs. This hair is super soft, y'all. It does not tangle or snag up at all, which is no surprise because this is my 3rd wig from this company and I'm very comfortable saying that the hair does not tangle or snag and it's always super soft. To change the tone quick and simple, I got a tote with some water, added my Shimmer Lights conditioner, and mix it all together. Make sure that your water is hot. Then I dip my wig in the water a few times before leaving it in the solution for about 5 minutes. And that's how I changed the tone from a yellow blonde to a silvery blonde color. Granted, I could have let it sit for a longer time, but we said quick and simple. I also want to point out that I removed the tabs because you can see the tabs through the lace. But if you want to see how I install a blonde wig, let me know in my comment box below. I will be posting pictures on my Instagram of different styles that I wore with this wig. So make sure that you guys are following me at Dreamy Styles LLC on Instagram. 13x6 laces are my favorite. Peep the parting space. By the way, if you love these lashes, make sure y'all check out my lash company, DreamyStyles.com, where you can find these exact pair called Goody. Okay babes, that is it for this video. So go ahead and click that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, shout out to my 17 new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys, okay? With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.